Look how cool.
I swear to God, it has
Ayan, so 2 doors. Cool.
I should have plumbed.
You can, honestly, it's not hard. It's not hard. As long as you have access to the...
This one is retro. Looks... Oh, this is cute. Why is this pink?
That's how it is.
Oh, para lang siyang wardrobe. Tingnan niya. So, pag... Oh my gosh, 1,000 din yung complete table and the benches. Oh. Hanap kami ng mailbox. Ito gusto ko. This one, look. That one. $3.49. Nandito na kami sa men's section. Men's section kasi mga lalaki lang pumupunta dito. Yan o, mga wood. Matcha flavored wood dito, guys. Yung green, sabi ni Grace. And too much milk tea. Palagi itong milk tea. Hi guys! Thank you for clicking into this video and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do more furniture shopping. Pero actually babalikan lang namin yung first furniture shop na pinuntahan namin kasi gusto ko yung armchair nila. And we are on our way there. After that, pupunta kami ng Bunnings kasi si Javi bibili ng kanyang wood for his computer room. And then we might as well also go to an appliance store, yung Factory Seconds. Yun yung cheaper na appliances. Plan namin kukuha ng TV sooner than later. And titingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga appliances na nandun. I already have my iced coffee. Ito siya. Tingnan nyo yung mga apartments dito, guys. This is James Ross Drive. Mga higanting apartments. Nandito na naman kami in this road. This is a really cute bridge. So this is for the light rail. Itong bridge na to. Yan. From Parramatta to Carlingford. Hindi pa yan ginamit. Middle this year daw. So that is M4. I cannot talk properly when it's like this. Ayan, M4 to yung dinaanan. So this is a crossroad here. To the right is the one going to Guildford. And to the left naman going to Auburn. Yun yung mega mall na appliances and furniture shopping. Dito. Yan din, mga apartments yan dito sa Granville na naghihigantihan. They're massive ones. Bumalik na naman kami dito sa Monster Furniture. Ayan o, yung Woodville Road. Where is that one? Yeah, it's there. That's the one that I like. But nakuha namin yung isa doon sa Mega Mall. Sonoma. They actually have the complete big one. Bellagio. 3,000 as well. But it's bigger, right?
Much bigger. But
also from 6,000.
like you'll be too big.
Yeah, it's just like our red couch. That's okay.
Too. Which one? The tall one or the short one?
The short. Here it is. Yan na siya.
That's a good bag.
Yeah, it's good.
It's not bag. Although this is
Charlotte. Why?
It's gonna be cold.
Silang
It's not
dalawa.
matching leather.
Ano na sila? Feeling comfy na. It's my Charlotte. Shawl. Okay. So is this okay with the beads? It's not really beads.
Yeah, metal studs.
Nagbayad na kami. Ay, ito. Here, this one, darling, is nice. See, 2,400.
Nice.
But then, I don't think it will be good because our floor is already like that. Yeah, and that one too. Camouflage kasi yung floor namin, yung tiles, marble na siya. Where is the coffee table?
Look, that's a coffee table.
No way, why would I get that?
The coffee table.
It's like a... Oh yeah. Oh, this buffet, how much is this? 700. Okay, alis na kami guys. Tapos na kami for our day. Pauwi na kami. Bibili na kami ng food. It's already 3 p.m. Ciao! So yan yung Parramatta. From this point of view. Yan na yung Bunnings Warehouse. Diyan ako lagi. In year 2020, 21. Yeah, kasi bumibili ako ng indoor plants. Yan yung aking chill place before. Nandito na kami guys sa Seconds. Oh, sorry. Seconds Appliances or Factory Seconds. Maghanap kami ng TV. Kasi sinira ni Jace yung TV namin.
Good.
Nandito, tingnan nyo, parang siyang warehouse.
Okay, cool. Okay. Right, well,
So, ito yung TV. How much is it?
And
So,
this was a
Samsung only?
65.
Yeah, 55. So, how much is that? How much is this
Yeah, I'm
one?
getting you prices now.
Alright.
65.
So, I will remember. So,
65 is
Okay.
$1,100.
okay, and that
And that one? That one there? Is this going to be for upstairs or downstairs?
downstairs.
So again, what?
Let me, so I can remember the...
I need to see what kind.
That one is $800. Alright, then these ones here are $700.
700, okay. 65
This is what we
inch
normally have.
TV. This one is
55.
55
And that's 45.
and that's 45.
We've got
So this is
45.
700,
100,
800,
1100.
1100. That's not bad, and it's smart TV. Pero nakaback siya, di namin makita. Tingnan natin yung iba. We'll look. Yeah. Yun yung mga fridge nila. Ayan, ang ganda nito ah. Sige, tingnan natin dito. Mura lang siya, guys. Ang cute nito. This is so cute. Ah, we need microwaves too. Samsung. Why does it look like a TV? But our microwave is already looking like that. No, I want a Smeg, darling. Do they have Smeg? Because everything is Smeg in the kitchen now. This one is retro. Looks... Oh, this is cute. Why is this pink?
That's how it is.
Oh, para lang siyang wardrobe. Tingnan niya. So what's this? Samsung?
Yeah.
Parang wardrobe. What's that?
It's a fridge and freezer.
Parang TV lang. I mean, parang wardrobe lang.
That could be our next fridge.
Meron pa dito, guys. Para talaga siyang ano. closet with the pink color door. Oh, tingnan natin how much yan. Look how cool.
I swear to God, it has three edges.
Ayan, so 2 doors.
I swear, good.
I mean, yeah, you have to open that as well. Nice.
They have everything.
But this one
Can we
is
get this fridge?
I mean, we'll see. We'll see how much it is. and
like
how
you
much
can
it-
see the weather from there.
There's a lot of things.
Oh, it's the Cohen.
So how much is this again?
38.
38.
Yeah. They retail in
You
about,
can do
5
YouTube.
NT?
Because we'll be moving back into our house soon.
Yeah.
But 38. The actual,
That's right.
Yeah.
So to swap the filter,
Beverage
it's from
center.
that center section there. So in here, when you take it out, it's full. You use it, you put it back in, it will automatically refill. That's your other water dispenser there, and then your ice. It's
How
awesome.
much is that?
It's awesome. This one's
28.
29. This
Oh,
one.
29, sorry. That's 38.
Well, that's
Yeah.
38, and then your ice is here.
So
you've got
$900 more
two-
for the screen.
Yeah. You've got the 2 automatic ice. So that's normal ice cubes. That's small ice cubes.
You know,
Cool.
I should have plumbed.
You can honestly, it's not hard. It's not hard as long as you have access to the
Yeah, yun yung channel ko, guys.
the fridge. Yeah.
Where is it now?
Yeah.
Oh, because it was-
Look,
What
it's
happened?
doable. Yeah. It's doable. You just got to get a plumber out. And it's not a huge job, but if this is like a place you're staying for a while, you want to invest in a fridge, it's worth doing.
Ayan si
Jace. Absolutely.
Because we're definitely going to think about getting it.
Hey guys, nasa Bunnings na kami. Meron kami hinahanap dito sa Bunnings na mga additional things for the new house. So yan yung cafe ng Bunnings. Meron din silang playground. Sa Bunnings na kami guys. At si Jace kumuha ng Magnum. What else do you want?
Okay, because I ran out of chips for it.
It's $4. Meron akong gusto dito na table for my veranda. Nasaan na yun? I didn't have it anymore. Dito lang yun. Hanapin ko yun. Yung wooden table and white color. And white chairs, of course. Kasi may cafe sila dito. Ah.
Just one.
Miss paying na.
Like, have it again.
Yan, happy na siya guys. Kasi may Magnum na siya ice cream. Hanapin ko yung white table dito for the outdoors. It's here. I found it. This one. I like this one. Diba maganda siya for the veranda, yung outdoor setting. So how much? $249? How much is that? Oh, for the bench only. $249 for the bench. Only bench. Oh, here. Ito yung sa table. $500. So, pag... Oh my gosh, 1,000 din. Yung complete table and the benches. Oh. Pero wood siya. Maganda. I love this one. Next time, plant section. Dito ako pumupunta dati. Yung kasagsagan ng pandemic. Pag lalabas kami, dito kami. Tingnan nyo. Oh, this is the plant haven. So that is red Congo and green Congo. Oh, tingnan nyo yung new leaf. At tingnan nyo yung alocasia, zebrina. Grabe, ang laki naman. Okay. Saan tayo? Meron ako nito eh, yung mga plants dito. Yung iba, binenta ko na. Oh, ito oh, Manjula. See, Manjula pothos. This is so minty. What is this? Philodendron. Okay, where's the eye? That's that one. Dito tayo sa cactus. This is the golden barrel. That is the golden
Golden almond.
Look at the flowers. Cyclamen mini. Ang ganda naman. Oh. Ganda. Tulip mix. Oh, yung bulbs is $33. In case magtanim kayo. I think you have to put in now because it's autumn para pag matapos na yung autumn, ay hindi, labas pala yung mga flowers dito by spring. So it has 5 months to sleep and then grow. Ano nyo to guys, ang ganda no. It's $18. Chrysanthemum. Nasa pot na yan pero buhay yan. Kaya lang, I don't know how long. But if you give flowers to somebody, maybe this is a good idea. Nasa pot na siya. At andito rin yung isa pa. Gusto ko tingnan. Yan oh. Dahlia. Nandito na kami sa men's section. Men's section kasi mga lalaki lang pumupunta dito. Yan oh, mga wood. Ayan, hindi ako pupunta dito. So, he's looking. Hubby is looking for the wood. I mean, looking for wood for his desk. Nagagawin niya yung sa computer room niya. Ito daw gusto niya. Which one is it? This one. This is nice. The desk for his computer room. Gawa sila. So I don't like this color. It's too dark. So yan, okay na yan. Ito okay din to siya, pero this is pine wood. Ito naman, this is acacia. And the other one is beech wood. Itong gusto niya. This is beech wood, hevea. Sila oh. Darling, there is a matcha flavored wood. Look, the green. Isn't it? Yeah, see. Matcha flavored wood dito guys. Yung green sabi ni Grace. And too much milk tea. Palagi itong milk tea matcha. Hanap kami ng mailbox. Ito gusto ko. This one, look. That one. $3.49. Because it has like a sandstone. Okay. Oh, this one smaller. Yan, maliit siya. Oh, ito na lang, $2.50, Carlos. Yan, maganda siya. Either that or this. This is bigger though. Tapos maghanapin kami ng temporary mailbox para ma-handover nila kasi kailangan daw yan.
Is this going
requirement
to be the one?
before the handover. And this one is the permanent.
Which one? That one or that one?
I prefer.
Natapos din si Hubby guys ng kanyang wood purchase. So boring talaga. Almost natulog na kami ni Jace sa gilid. At nandito kami sa mga mailboxes kasi kukuha kami ng dalawa. Yung permanent tsaka yung temporary. Guys, ito na yung pinik namin na letterbox. This is the sandstone, the bigger one. Put this in the where the figs. So where the figs are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know where the... No, at the back. At the back. Just get one more. Okay. Kabain kami ng sausage dito guys kasi nagutom na talaga ako. This is only $3.50 with onion. Si Happy. Double onion yung sa kanya.
This time it's the perfect summer night. Those three words are spelled out in your eyes.